video of gratitude is for Bonnie Hayhurst and her iPad apps awesome course that she's done. I was going to use my tablet to help me with my gratitude video, but since the battery is dead and it is charging right now, I'm going to use my pad to help me with my thanks. I'm using my tablet to say, thank you, Bonnie. Thank you for your passion for what you do as a music therapist and as teaching the courses. Thank you for your knowledge about the great apps that are out there and the not so great apps, and for sharing all of that knowledge about the cost and the effectiveness and some of the ideas of how you use them. Also for your pursuit of learning about new apps and ways to use them. Thank you for your eagerness to share them with us. It is really awesome that you had so much knowledge that you shared. And also for your happy and upbeat attitude that you did it all with. It was hard not to smile at your positive energy that you did the course with, and I just really am grateful for that. You rock, Bonnie. Thank you.